Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to answer and reject calls with one tap on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity, then tap on assistant menu. From here, just enable replace swipe with single tap. Now, once you enable this toggle, you can respond to alarms, alerts, or incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. After that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer. Then tap on the three dots and go to settings. From here, just tap on answering and ending calls. Then select gesture to answer calls. Now, instead of swipe, just select tap. And this is how you can answer or reject calls with one tap in the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.